ladon ka jing sngo na kalyang kaseng ba kani ka blok kala dei bandon no kapo jong kamau jiro kenang ba kan yarap lang ya kineki isnong ki bajengai bertunjuk ru ke basa hakineki time border tam ki bajengai na blok ready pulis ni
Ang jengi ni penpau bakal ade ka kapor kepala DE hai tai bang ila suban nida tu kam sai ka blok ka jingke ha bayede bekane ka long ka dau ba ki babun kisnong jengi hadu menta kidom kisnong ki bajrai hadu kumba sispa kilometer ru
Away ka nang lim pangyang talong balada ta konra ya C&RD blok umur ka dai gejum toy babun jong ki pat sang nama ba kumbalong menta ki iba ka muslim
problem facing by people in constituency because of the long distance, especially the village border area where the distance is not less than 80 kilometers to Umsning C&RD block. I, on behalf of the people of Mawhati constituency, I request the Honorable Minister in charge C&RD for creation of new C&RD block in my constituency.
And this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mawhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new C&RD block in Mawhati.
Magkaway kapag kam kabanga nga haban tan nyokor ya kadiga timan kajing kwa kajing anglo jong Paidbah jong constituency bandan no la kajong community and rural development lanai ka C&RD block Mawhati nakaliang jong chief minister pula-pulari sanction hero ikani ikut ke office work kilaya ina sanction ikani itu ini matpa shenyen sa pembanano ia kene ka C&RD block